Welcome back. Welcome to Stir Fry Tuesday. Alright, tonight we're going to do two videos. So the first one is going to be a basic fried rice. So sometimes, you know, with some of the stir fries, instead of putting it on plain rice, we can make a fried rice. And because I don't have a lot of money, I thought it might be really good to do a real basic one. And then if you've got other ingredients, you can always throw them in with it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use short grain rice tonight, but I use any. You can use long or short. I don't think it really matters. So I'm going to use 2 cups. I think it's jasmine I might have here at the minute. So 2 cups of uncooked jasmine rice, and I'm going to boil her up. Alright, so once we've cooked our rice, we want to rinse it out in a strainer with really hot water, and then we want to leave it in the strainer to completely cool down. And every 5 minutes or so, just give it a little mix around like that. Alrighty, now once it's cooled down, you want to stick it in an oven tray. I've just got my little one, so make sure it's one that can fit in your fridge. Now normally you would do this and leave it uncovered in the fridge overnight to dry out, but I want to do it for an hour's time. So what I want to do is put it in the fridge like that uncovered, and every 10 minutes I'm just going to come and mix it up a bit in the fridge, because everything that sits on top is what's drying out. So if we do that every 10 minutes for an hour, we'll have it ready in an hour. Alright, so while that's in the fridge, we can get a couple more things ready. So I'm just going to get 1 brown onion and chop it up really, really small and chuck it in a bowl. Once we've done that, we set that aside. Now we get out a bowl and we put 4 small eggs or 3 large eggs in it. We want to whisk it up with a fork, and we want to get out a small frying pan. Now we just want to heat it up on about halfway. Put a little bit of butter in. Mix that around a little bit, cover the base. Now we want to throw our eggs in there. Now we want to cook them. We don't want to touch it until the first side's cooked. Once it's almost cooked through, we want to try and flip it over whole and then cook the other side just for like 1 minute. Alrighty, a minute later, we just want to flip that out onto our cutting board or our bench. And now we want to just chuck our onion in there, and we want to fry that up. Give the egg a minute or so just to cool down a little bit so it's easy to touch. We want to roll it up like that. Once we've got it rolled up like that, we want to slice it from one end to the other, paper thin. Once we've sliced it up nice and paper thin, we'll just chuck it on a plate and set it aside. Now once your egg and onion's done, you want to get out half a cup of frozen peas, and you want to leave them sit there to thaw out. And we just need some soy sauce. Now when the rice is ready, we're ready to go. Now that is what I class as the basic one. Now if you've got more ingredients, you can add more ingredients. If you want to add bacon, you would chop it up really small and you would fry it up with the onion. Now I think I've got some ham. So I've got some sliced ham in there. So I'll just roll it up and I'll cut it really, really thin, and I'll just throw it in with the egg. Because it's already cooked, we can just throw it in the same time as we throw the egg in. But yeah, so you can do it the absolute basic, or you can start adding things. So you can either add the bacon, which you cook up with the onion, or you can add the ham. You can also add pork if you want pork, even if it's just thin roasted pork cut really thin, or the proper barbecue pork. You can add prawns. You can add bean sprouts, but the next stir fry we're doing in a minute has bean sprouts in it, so I'm not going to worry about it. So I'm just going to leave it like this. Basically, you can add whatever you want in it, but you can just start off with the basic 4 ingredient one. Alrighty, so our rice is ready to go. So because I'm making this with a stir fry, I'm going to put my oven on low now. When I've cooked the rice, I'm going to keep this container handy, and when it's all finished, I'm going to put it back in there, cover it in alfoil and stick it in the oven to keep it warm while we make our stir fry. So the next thing we need to do is get our wok out. Now I've got the electric one, so I'm going to heat it up just over halfway, because you want it a lot hotter than you would normally for a stir fry, but you don't want it too hot. So I'm going to whack that on halfway. Now normally you'd use peanut oil, because peanut oil cooks really, really hot, and it's great for rices, but of course I don't have any, so I'm just going to use olive oil. Alright, so while the wok's heating up, now if you're going to throw prawns in, what you do is you put a little bit of oil in there first, toss your prawns around until they're cooked, and then take them out, and then you throw them back in later with the egg. Alright, we just get some oil, tip it around the outside, throw in our rice. Alright, now we just want to toss it around for a couple of minutes and fry it up. Alrighty, so I've been tossing it around for about 4 minutes. Now with this much rice, I would use 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, but everybody is different on their taste. So best I would say is less. So if you put a little bit in, toss it around and taste it. If you want more, put more in, because if you put too much in, you can never take it out, alright? Mix that in for a good minute or 2. Alright, a minute later, now you pretty much chuck everything in. So I'm going to put the onion, the egg and ham. Now if you have bacon, you put that in now. If you have the pork, you put that in now. The peas. Now basically you put everything, the prawns, everything that you'd want in now. And the only 2 things that you put in at the very end, if you're going to have bean sprouts or spring onions, you'd literally put them in at the last minute. Alright, once you put them all in, we just want to toss around till everything's hot. So now you'd whack in your bean sprouts and spring onions and basically just turn it around for about a minute and she's done. Just like that, folks. Basic fried rice. Quick and easy, isn't it? Not bad at all. Anybody can do that. Alright, so I'll bang that in the oven now. But like I said, if you're just making it just to eat it on its own or with something else, just smash it right now. So I'm going to bang it in the oven. I'll be back in about an hour by the time I finish uploading. And with this, we are going to be making beef and black bean stir fry. Oh yeah, baby.